So we're here with Sam now, just seeing what he's creating. Sam, what actual colours are you using today?
So we're using cerise at the back, and then on the front we are putting carnation and flamingo mixed together.
Amazing. And what would you call this look like? What's your inspiration? What are we calling it?
Pink paradise, because we've got some extensions that we're going to put in later with some other pinks as well. I choose directions because it gives me creative freedom with my clients,